Iceberg Crypto Airdrop is going to list or is going to give out allocation in 18 days time, 19 hours, 33 minutes, and 22 seconds. The seconds keep ticking. It's now 19 seconds to go. So in this video, I want to tell you how you can maximize profit from the Iceberg Crypto Airdrop project. It is a mini app that Telegram mini app project, and I'm going to show you some strategies you can use to maximize your profit. Now, if you don't want to spend anything, just go to task. On the task, you have the visit partners site to get reward. So you click on that, you do that 20 times in every 24 hours, and then you are going to get your point, which everything is going to amount to 15,000 points. Then daily reward also, you have to watch video for the reward. You watch the video 20 times, and then you're also going to get 15,000 points for watching the videos 20 times. If you have money, you can upgrade to Iceberg Plus. That is going to give you 2 million points. You can also invite friends. When you invite friends up to 100 or thereabout, you get some points. Iceberg Media allows you to subscribe to their different social media platforms like YouTube, like Discord, Workcast, Telegram, and so on and so forth. Instagram, I mean. So that allows you to link up in that arena. If you now go down, you can partner with a gate.io. That is there also. You can do that. The number of friends you invite also is going to count, and then you need to link your wallet. So if you have not linked your wallet, it is about 18 days to go before the allocation or before the completion. So go ahead and link your wallet. So many other activities and tasks are out there outlined, so you check them out and you do them one after the other. Now, almost every 6 hours, you have to go to the app and claim a particular price just on the home page. So you click on that, the home page where your balance is. My balance at the moment is 865,210, and it's adding up every time. So as I said, I'm telling you how to maximize profit from the Iceberg Crypto Airdrop. It's a Telegram mini app strategy. The Iceberg Crypto Airdrop is an exciting opportunity for participants to earn Iceberg tokens through engaging with the Iceberg Play mini app on Telegram. To maximize your potential profits, these are the things you need to do. Number one, engage actively with Iceberg Play. Participation is key. Be actively engaging with the Iceberg Play mini app. You can accumulate Iceberg points, which are convertible into Iceberg tokens during the airdrop. Regular interaction not only increases your point tally, but also enhances your standing within the community. So every 6 hours, you can go there and just claim 100 points, and then you continue every 6 hours again to claim. You start the play again, then you claim. Then number two is that you have to subscribe to Iceberg Plus. For those seeking to elevate their rewards, subscribing to Iceberg Plus is advisable. Subscribers earn Iceberg Plus points, which hold greater value and offer priority in airdrop distributions. This subscription incentivizes deeper platform engagement, leading to higher potential profits. Number three thing you need to do is to participate in collaborative campaigns. Iceberg frequently collaborates with other platforms to offer exclusive rewards. For instance, a recent partnership with Budget Wallet allowed users to earn unique rewards, including Iceberg points and prizes from Budget Wallet. By completing specific tasks, staying informed about such collaborations can provide additional avenues for profit. The next thing you can do is to acquire Iceberg Pass. Investing in an Iceberg Pass can be a strategic move. Holders of these passes gain access to exclusive features and benefits within the Iceberg ecosystem, potentially leading to increased earnings with a limited number of passes available. Securing one early can position you advantageously. Number five is that you need to stay updated and engage with the community. Regular checking the official Iceberg Telegram channel ensures you remain informed about the latest updates, events, and opportunities. This is because if you're not informed, you can be deformed. And if you're not in the flow, if you're not in the know, you cannot be in the flow. So engaging with the community can provide insights and tips from fellow participants, enhancing your overall strategy. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively maximize your profits from the Iceberg Crypto Airdrop. Active participation, strategic investments, and staying informed are crucial components to success in this dynamic ecosystem. I know somebody there is asking me that it remains 18 days. Maybe even when you are seeing this video, it remains 15 days or 10 days. There's no harm in trying. You can still join Iceberg Crypto Airdrop project using my link that is below. And all you need to do is to go to the task area and do all the tasks as much as you can do. I'm sure that you also are going to be part of the people that will get rewarded in 18 days. So this is what I have for you on Iceberg Crypto Airdrop at the moment. Olubengade Titun is my name and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to watch other videos. And if you have any question or comment for me, drop it in the comment section below. I will talk to you in the next video. Before then, this video popping up by the side for my channel is the next you need to watch now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.